Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dudu. I go by the name of At Home with Dudu. Guys, today I'm from the church, so I'm going home to cook a supper for my family. If you have not watched my Sunday lunch, Sunday dinner table setup, please watch them out. They are so interesting. So today I'm doing a stuffed chicken with mushroom and spinach, wrapped with bacon. Yeah, I think I'll be doing that with what did we eat with? We ate this with potato salad and cabbage. Yeah, so I'll be baking this for 25 minutes in a 180 oven. Yeah, so that's how I did it. Supper for today. Guys, it was Sunday. It was Valentine's on Friday, so I decided to set up my table as a Valentine's table. So yeah, you've set it up with red and white and candles, red candles. Yeah, so I have said to my family, let's dress up red and white. So Namige, I have dressed up with my red and white dress. So yeah, so I have all of those things. I think for Christmas, they were less for Christmas. So lucky me, I did not have to buy anything. So I already have everything to set up my table with. So yeah.
We are living organism.
Kusibusisa lokudla osipha kona noJesu Kristu kusefana.
Amen.
I have already told you about my main. So for my starter, I did the garlic rolls and chicken livers. So we started with them, garlic rolls and chicken livers. Then we had to emain. I told you emain it was a stuffed chicken with potato salad, and my daughter loves that part of switching off the candles when everything is done. uh, Day two, as you can see, I have hired that Citroen C3 car. I wonder how is it, but I've got a business trip. I'm out of home for the whole week. I hope izongiphatha kahle. So I'll be driving that car. I'm gone for 5 weeks. I'll be sleeping in three different hotels. Yeah, so I will show you what I go about when I'm out of the office. Yeah. Day one of my out of the office. I'm heading to where I'm going now. Come with me, guys. Sometimes I won't be showing you my whole day. I'll be showing you when I go to sleep. Sometimes I'll be showing you in the morning. So yeah, it's tiring. What I do, I get tired a lot. So come with me, guys. I think this was after work. 1847. So I was going to the hotel now. So come with me. Let's go to the hotel. I have decided to go to the beach, whether to run or to walk. Ayibo, angeke ngihambe ngiye ngase beach. So come with me.
Hey guys, look, my target is 7.5, sitting on 3. Sure.
Serve, edge, trader, and
Day 2, I'm checking out from this hotel, going to another place to check into another hotel. So when I'm traveling, under no circumstance I will book in one hotel and drive. No ways. So I normally book in a hotel that is near the place I'm going. If it takes that, I book each and every day on a different hotel. I do that. So today I'm checking out here, going somewhere else. This is now hotel number 2. I didn't see you the whole day, so I passed by Woolworths to buy myself a few snacks. Day 3 at night. I didn't see you the whole day. I didn't even greet in the morning. Guys, I'm in a different again hotel. Yes, came in very late. I'm very tired, but I'm just yeah, you'll see it in the morning. Let's wait for the morning. Good night for now. Yes, in this one I slept 2 days, so it's back home time. I hope you enjoyed my vlogs, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Hope you enjoy. I love you guys. Thank you so much to those that are following.